everyone, this is Rachel with Usborne Books and More, and today I'm going to discuss 3 different books about your body. When your child gets to that age where they're asking all sorts of questions about their body and how it works, Usborne has great reference books that will help explain on a child's terms. The first book that I'm going to discuss is called Look Inside Your Body, and this is one of our Look Inside books, and so this is a wonderful book with over 100 flaps that you can open and close, and some of them even have double and triple flaps, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. If you look at this first page here, you can see there's a little boy, and it talks about what is on the outside with his chest, elbow, tummy, knee. You open up the flap, and there are his muscles. Look at that. Talks about the different ones that are there. It even opens again, and there is his skull. Open up one more time, and you get all the organs that are inside. The brain. Open up, your ribs protect your lungs, and there's your heart and your lungs. Open it up over here, the bones in your knee move so you can bend and twist your leg. So you've got lots of different flaps here that they're learning and different chunks of information about a boy's body. Now, look at this. This one is up and down. You got lots of different things about how you eat food. So, where does your food go? It goes starting in your mouth, then it goes down in here, goes down through here into your stomach. Open up the stomach. What are you going to find there? Oh, juices are added here to mesh up your food even more. There's another double flap. Ready? Let's find it. Open it up and see what you got. Oh, then the mushy food leaves your stomach. Then it goes down into here. So you see you've got all these different flaps here. Next page. Staying alive. You see, look at all of these awesome pages filled with great educational material about your body and what it's like. Here's your bones. Here's your muscles and a little bit more detail. So wonderful pages. Lots of flaps to open, close. More double flaps here. Here's one. Open it up. There's another. Great book. So if you're wanting to have a book that you could open and close, a very visual learner, maybe even tactile where they like to feel things, this is the book for you. All right, now the next book that I'm going to discuss is our Big Book of the Body. Now this is one of our big book series, and our big books, obviously the pages fold out really big. So you start out, what are you made of? Have lots of different things here that you can read. You open up this page, looky here. Are you ready for this? Whoa! I can't even fit it all on the camera. Whoa, big page. So you got the top here talking about a skeleton, and you have all the different bones in the body that goes all the way down to your legs. Now, this is a question that I was wondering. I have a child who is in 4th grade, and he learned all the bones of the body. This does not specifically go through all the different types of bones that you have in their specific names, and more it gives like a general terms, like your collarbone. It doesn't have this specific name. Here's your rib, here's your breastbone, here's your hip, your thigh bone. You know, it doesn't actually tell the full name of your thigh bone. Over here, this just says the lower arm bone. It doesn't actually give the name humerus. So but it's still general, and it's still great for kids who are wanting to know a little bit more about their bones. And turn the page, and here is your muscles. So this one also goes really big and tall. So this flips out, whoa, all the way over here. Big muscles and all that are in there in your body. So lots of great information. 650 muscles. Woo, that's a lot of stuff. Keeps our bodies working. Over here, taking a breath. Talks about what it's like to breathe. All of these awesome pictures. Look at these colorful pictures. All the wonderful things that kids are learning about what it's like to breathe. So, great book full of wonderful information. See, it says 4 giant fold-outs in this book. So those I showed you 2. There are 2 more in this book. So you'll want to get this one if you like kids that will like lots of information in there. Now, the last one that I'm going to talk about is a little bit more, I would say maybe on a school age, even upper level, into the middle school, possibly even high school if they really want to have one, is a Usborne Human Body Reference Book. And this one, not as full for like kid pictures, I would say, but more for real anatomy pictures. And because I would look at this right here, Key to Bones. Now here you have all the different names of the bones: the mandible, the humerus, the radius, the ulna, the patella, the tibia. So you have all the real names of the bones if you're really wanting to study those. And it has a little bit more advanced facts, I would say. Over here it has the same thing for the muscles. You have the biceps, the external oblique, the abdominals. So lots of great pictures here for all the different muscles and a little more detail for you. Here's about circulation, different things about how the blood moves through our heart. Over here, here's more in detail about our processing food. Talks about the small intestine and the large intestine, the duodenum. Here's your brain. Talks a little bit more about brain power in here, and talks about the 5 lobes of the brain. That helps with what each lobe is good for. So these are just, I think they're just great. A great book. If you have maybe a child who's really interested in becoming a doctor, get this and let them read through it. Here's about eyes. These are things that I even remember learning from college. Great things about looking closer with your cells. So wonderful, great reference book. And there's a glossary in the back that has a lot of great terms. So wonderful book, The Human Body, Usborne Human Body Reference Book. Stick this one on your list. Alright, so those are the 3 books I have, guys. Take these and put them on your wish list and buy them today.